We guide you through how to use VPN on any iPhone in 2026 so you can browse securely and access content from anywhere. First thing you need to do is choose a reliable VPN service that supports iOS such as ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or Surfshark and download it app from the App Store. Open the app and sign in with your account, then follow the on-screen instruction to set up the VPN. You may need to allow the app to add a VPN configuration to your iPhone, which appears in Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Once the VPN is active, you can select a server location and toggle the connection on. After connecting, your internet traffic is encrypted, your IP address is masked, and you can safely browse apps, websites, and streaming services. This method works for all iPhone models and ensures your online activity remains private and secure.